Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce our project about the trash compactor. We choose to invent this compatible trash bin to instance of the general problem uh, to reducing usage of plastic to make sure our environment be friendly. By using compatible trash bin, fast food outlet can use small number plastic bin bags per day. As you can see, nowadays our fast food outlet always use a big amount of plastic bag to give to the customer because they pick up the order to take their food to home. That's why our scope for this project is to more to the fast food outlet to make sure they can lower uh, produce plastic bag to make sure it's not waste to other because plastic bag is quite dangerous because it's not decomposable. Uh, our concept for compatible trash bin designed to allow add more garbage in the bin after it compressed it more can be add more trash than easily. We have some benchmark from this trash like the aspect is from weight, mobility, capacity, the trash, material for this cost project, the effectiveness and the compactness of the uh, project can do and make sure it's environment friendly. That's all the aspects that we highlight for the benchmark. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Afiq bin Muhammad Afandi. I will talk about need analysis. Our project is stress compactor. So for the target market segment, our target market for our project is fast food outlet. For our product market survey, we're using two type of survey. First, we're using internet and questionnaire to find our targeted market customer needs. We also compare for real product that already have in market to make our product better. For the design of market survey, first, our team use internet to find information about our focal customer for we understand more about their needs. And then we use questionnaire for them to tell us about what they want more from our product. From our survey, we have come out our survey analysis. Our customer requirement is they want our product lightweight. The weight of trash bin should be light so it can be carried anywhere without requiring a lot of effort. And then portable. The trash bin should be able to be moved around and should be compact. Assemble. The trash bin separate component part should be easy assemble and dismantle when needed. And then capacity. The load capacity should not be small and should not too big so they will take up more space. And then environmentally friendly. The trash bin should cut down the usage of plastic and be as economical as possible. Then user friendly. The product must not be complicated to use and the way to use the product is understood or expected at first glance. And then safety. For product have to make sure that no accident occur like hand getting stuck in a component part. And then cost efficiency. The product must be affordable enough so that fast food outlets can invest on it as well as people with low income can purchase on it. And then space. The product does not take up a lot of space in a narrow place. And lastly, the one does not jam. The trash bin must operate smoothly and does not cause any complication.
Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk on my part. There is design specification. First we have house of quality. The highest rank order is mobility with weight and energy to compress coming in second and third. These three highest ranking engineering characteristics will be the main focus throughout the designing of our product. The least important factors are the trash bin capacity, weather resistance, and material rigidity. Competitor rankings show that a ranking of 1 is poor, 3 is okay, while 5 is excellent. Next, we have product design specification. First, product identification. Trash inside the bins is automatically compressed when the sensor detects the capacity is full. It fills all places which have current supply. For the special features that we have on our product is it have high RPM motor to move the sealer level effectively. It also have high strength sealer level to compress the trash. The compression will up to 110 liters of trash. Okay, for the key performance targets, it is powered by the direct current supply, also accompanied by the motor to perform compression. The compression angle are very accurate then, and it easily open door to take the trash bin out from the compactor. Okay, for the service environment, it up to 100% of humidity. Okay, for the physical description, the overall height is 1,300 millimeters. The overall length is 790 millimeters. The scissor lift length is 880 millimeters. The door height is 737.5 millimeters. The door length is 550 millimeters. The trash bin height is 580 millimeters. The trash bin length is 520 millimeters. The material that we use on our product is stainless steel, cast iron, and rubber. The target weight of our product we target is 35 kilogram, and the compression system is 70 kilogram. For the market identification, the target market for this product will be the fast food outlets. It will, it will be initial launch at Kajang, and production was 100 units. For the competing products, the current products does not have a current, include automated compressor unit designed specifically for compression of trash. There is no product involve current or motor. Our brand is named as Space. For the financial requirements, we target manufacturing cost at 250 ringgit. We estimate retail price at 300 ringgit, and we also have warranty policy for 8 years. For the life cycle targets, useful life 15 years and beyond. We also give maintenance schedule 6 months once to ensure the functionality of the sealer lever and the gears. For the reliability, we give 15 years. End of life strategy, Pls will be recyclable with motors and gears requiring special handling. Lastly, social, political, and legal requirements. The safety and environmental regulation will be followed. For the standard research federal regulation on waste management equipment, for the safety and product liability, the only safety aspect of the space deck is the installation process where the current is involved. A professional electrician is required to ensure the safety. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syukuruddin Azayat from RK08. For the embodiment and detailed design process, we have product architecture. For the product architecture, we need to use the flow chart to make us understanding how the trash bin function easily. For the flow chart, first we need the power supply goes to the sensor, switch on, motor, fully rotate, then goes to the scissor to start compress. Then compression takes place gradually until the maximum force limit is reached. Then the last is scissor lift retract upward. Part to purchase. For the part to purchase, we have main body, door, and motor, tire, scissor lift, and pulley. Next, we have parametric design. For the parametric design, first we have the trash bin. This feature is designed to contain the garbage without letting it flow out. This trash bin will use aluminum as the material because it's so strong, ductile, lightweight, and rust resistant. Next, we have motor pulley. This feature allow the pulley to rotate in order to move the scissor lift downward so that compression should occur. For this material, we use cast iron because it's strong, ductile, and rust resistant. Scissor lift. Scissor lift is the device which moves the flat plate downward so that complete compression can occur. For this material, we use stainless steel because it's strong, ductile, lightweight, and rust resistant. Next is wheel. This tire which is used to help move the product around. It helps the user move the trash bin easier. For the wheel material, we use rubber because it's strong, elasticity, and grip to help the product move easier. For the main body, this feature is to cover the compression system and the trash bin safely. For the material, we use stainless steel because it's strong, ductile, lightweight, and rust resistant. Next is our engineering drawing for the trash bin. Another drawing. Now we go to the estimate product cost. For the material cost, the total price is Rm 305 ringgit and 8 cent. So this you can see the part list and bill material for the cost for labor. Payment worker per unit is calculated by 300 and 3,200 divided by 100. So the total is goes to Rm 32 ringgit for the cost of labor. So therefore, we estimate that our product cost is around Rm 372 ringgit and 60 cent. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Faizuddin bin Abdul Wahab. I want to explain about conceptual design process. This is our first concept. Based on the picture above, the concept is functioned by inserting one major component called wheelie. Firstly, the cover of bin must be opened up. Then, wheelie will simply hook over lid in to create leverage. Wheelie then pull down to compress the garbage. Lastly, wheelie will have to be taken from the hook and the bin is closed with a lid. For our second concept, this concept uses a manual trash pressure machine to compress the garbage. Firstly, bin that is filled with a garbage is put at the seat. Then the wheel is rotated to the right to move the compressor down to compress the garbage. After compressing, the wheel will rotate to the anti-clockwise to move the original position. Third concept. The third concept is used by the compaction device. Firstly, step the pedal at the bottom to open the lid. Throw the garbage in the bin until it reaches the limit. Then use a compaction device to compress the garbage. Fourth concept. The fourth concept product is used by compression with the foot. Firstly, open the lid and dump the garbage in the bin. Then close the lid and place a foot onto the engraved foot and that is print foot shape. After that, compress garbage by stepping on it strongly. It will return back to normal and have some space. This is our parts chart. From the parts chart selection chart 1, concept 1 and concept 4 have the sum of minus and plus, which is 4 plus and 5 minus respectively. For the safety area, the concept which have the minus is concept 1, 2 and 4. The concept which have the highest number of minus among the four concepts is concept 2, 5 minus. Since the numbers of plus and minus are similar for both concept 1 and concept 4, it leads to the selection of concept 2 and 3 to undergo further comparison in the next part selection chart. This is a weight decision matrix. The obvious weak product based on the weak decision matrix is concept 4, as it obtains the least sum of ration among the three selection design. Since concept 4 is out of the competition by comparing concept 1 and concept 2, the easy winner would be concept 3, which shows the highest sum of ratio among all three selection designs. Lastly, analytical heresy process (AHP). From AHP table, our team has been get decision that most important features that customer that want a product is space,